Newsletters and affiliate marketing. Newsletters are a very good way of driving traffic to your affiliate website, advertising your affiliate products, and increasing your sales. Usually affiliates build their mailing list by grabbing the emails of their site visitors. Weekly or monthly newsletters are sent to all the members of this mailing list. If you search on the internet, you will find thousands of email newsletters. But you will find that most of them are not earning any reasonable money. On the other hand, the secret of most of the successful affiliates is their newsletters. It means that if you can create an effective newsletter, it can really boost your affiliate business. Here I am giving you some quick tips to create and run your newsletter successfully. One should be specific to your niche. If you want your newsletter to have good results and you are looking to get a decent profit from it, then your newsletter articles should be specific to your niche. If your niche is scuba divers, avoid publishing articles on web marketing. Simply, give the information to the users for which they are looking. 2. Write articles yourself. Your mission in this field must be to prove your own reputation and expertise. If you just copy and paste the work of others at your site, then it means that you are promoting others instead of yourself. Anyone that will come to your site will not see your work. So if he appreciates the articles at your site, then he is actually appreciating the person who is the creator of the articles, not you. So you must be creative and try to put your original articles there. If you are willing to put someone else's article there on the site, then you must give your own introduction in the beginning of the article and also give the reason why you are adding the article. What if you can't write? In this case you can get lots of people who will be ready to provide their services and write the articles for you. So in this way they will do the writing work, but you will be the one who will get all the credit of their work. 3. Publish no more than weekly. You should publish your newsletter once every 2 weeks at least. The monthly newsletters are not very effective. The best practice is to publish a weekly newsletter. But don't publish more than once a week, because people want to listen to you, but not so often. 4. Write short articles. An ideal length for articles is 150 to 750 words. If you have more lengthy articles, you can split those articles into 2 or more. Short articles are easy to read and are more effective. 5. Focus on one product/offer per month. Every month you should select one affiliate product that you want to promote during that particular month. Focus on topics related to that particular product. This way your users will also focus on one product at a time and they may turn into buyers. 6. Offer incentives. You can set up a downloadable incentive for your visitors and they return on a predetermined day to ensure more traffic and get possible sales. Following these 6 steps can create a growing affiliate income from your newsletter. Just try to be focused, to the point, and send your newsletters at least 2 times in a month.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.